Okay, so yesterday I built track for SSHPK, and today what I did is that I embedded the booking system in it, and first of all I need to go through this whole chat so that you can get to know how it works, and we're gonna define that later, that how it's actually working in the logs and all that stuff. So first of all, I obviously greeted them with hi and all that stuff, and it went on to answer me and wanted to know the locations or the hotels they are managing. And obviously, it gave me these 6 hotels with their locations, and they are managing these 6 hotels. And after that, I wanted to book a table at Fogland at Yegali, and it asked me about my name. I gave that, my email, my phone number, my country, like where I live and all that stuff. And after that, it wanted to know on which specific date I wanted to book the table, and obviously needed the year as well, so to be exactly sure when to book and all that stuff. And then obviously the time in PKT, when obviously we're booking the table in Pakistan, we need to be in Pakistan Standard Time. So I told it to book that table at 3 p.m. and I set guided this agent in such a way that it has to book a table for 2 hours, and it has given that straight away that we'll be booking that slot for 2 hours. Like if I book it at 3 p.m. I'm gonna have this slot till 5 p.m. for that table, and it asked me if I'm sure, then the agent will go on. Obviously I gave it a go ahead, and at last it asked me to specifically what service I needed. So I asked. It was not a needed question specifically about this hotel system, but I just added that to be sure about the purpose of my meeting, and to get to know like if you have a customer, you need to get to know what he is coming here for. So I just told it that I'm having lunch here, and at last it processed. First of all, it went to this check event Google Calendar node and checked whether there is any event booked on that same time, and if there was an event, it should have given me a prompt that that slot is not available, and you can book another slot if you want to. Then after that, it has checked if the available slot is true, it is possible that we can book that slot. Then it went to leads.of SSPK in Google Sheet and pasted all the data like my name, my email and all that stuff. And after that it went to scheduler, obviously this Google Calendar, where it placed the meeting and scheduled it. And obviously again it went to that very own sheet and checked whether it has pasted the data correctly or not. And at last it notified me about the booking and all that stuff, and I can even add the note to uh, tell the customer about the meeting or the booking um, like gets confirmed or whatever we need to add. We can hardcode that, or we can let the agent decide about what to mail to the customer specifically, because I wrote my name here, so that's why it is asking that your booking at Fogland has been confirmed for 2026-1/8 in my email. And yesterday when I tried to book this meeting for with another name, it went on to say that you're booking at Fogland, and the structure was way better than today's one. So this is the whole stuff, and the formatting is specifically right now is being decided by the agent, so that's why I changed the whole setting from uh, told me in a single row that I have this detail and gave me all the text in a paragraph form, and in the other email I just like opened it. It was in a formatted way, like full name, the email and all that stuff, and obviously your booking at Fogland is being booked. So here is the tutorial, and thanks for watching.